How to fix Windows speech-to-text problems. So if you rely on Windows voice typing or speech recognition to dictate notes, but pressing your shortcut does nothing, gives you an error, or stops listening mid-sentence, it can throw you off your whole productivity flow. So I'm going to show you the fixes for this problem step by step in this video. Right, so firstly, let's make sure you're using the right shortcut and that Windows actually has permission to hear your voice. So just press Windows plus H. This will bring up the settings for your speech services, and make sure that your cursor is actually clicked inside that box, like Word or Notepad, before pressing it, so that it's actually getting activated within the app that you want to use it in. Then go to Privacy and Security from your settings. You should be in this section, and then scroll down where you see microphone. There you go, guys. And now you just need to make sure that the microphone access is toggled on, firstly globally, right? And for a particular app that you might want to use. So for example, if you want to use your speech services in Slack, make sure that the Slack is enabled, and in general, a system has the permission to use your microphone. Then, if your mic permissions are fine, Windows might be listening to the wrong input device or missing the required speech language pack. So navigate to sound here and make sure that your actual physical microphone plugged into your system is selected as default, right? So for example, I have multiple. In my case, I use my microphone as main as this one, Fine, right? And make sure that it's set as default. All right, so as you can see, set as default sound device, and save everything. Then go to speech settings, right over here. And make sure that under speech language, you verify that your primary spoken language is selected, and make sure the box for recognize non-native accents is checked to improve voice accuracy. So you should be ticking this right over here. If voice typing throws an error saying dictation isn't available, your online speech service might be turned off or frozen. So once again, you need to toggle on the online speech recognition. So you go Privacy and Security, Speech, and make sure that your online speech recognition here is enabled. And that's all there is to it, guys. Try out these fixes, hopefully they help you out. If they did, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe.